Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Honda Insight. This two-door hatchback has a 3-cylinder, 1.0-liter i3 engine, with front-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Honda has less than 92,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 48 miles per gallon in the city, and 58 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax Vehicle History Report. Key features include automatic climate control, CD player, anti-lock brakes, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, and power windows.